The most authentic carpets in the arts and crafts tradition come from our looms to your floors. The arts and crafts movement began in England in the late 1800s, pioneered by the famous designer William Morris. The movement was a reaction against mass production and the over-ornamentation of the Victorian era. Carpet designers such as Morris, Voysey, and Morton drew their inspiration from nature and transformed botanical motifs into simpler forms and moved towards the use of earth tones. The movement spread into America, led by eminent designers Gustav Stickley, Frank Lloyd Wright, and the Green and Green brothers of California. It came to be recognized as mission, bungalow, and prairie styles. These styles also focused on simplicity of form and embraced clean lines and neutral tones, including earth tones to create serenity and simplicity. We were enthralled by these designs, and the Persian carpet decided to reproduce some of the old designs and create some new ones starting in 1996. To date, our portfolio consists of 96 designs, and we are known as the preeminent producer of carpets in the arts and crafts style.